Hello and welcome to today's video where we will be unboxing the Ubiquiti Unify Protect Smart Floodlight. Its current retail price is £94 including VAT. It is a bright motion triggered light that gives off an intense 550 lumens of LED light. It is wall mountable, either at an angle or flat, has the motion detection up to 16 feet and is weatherproof to the outdoor elements with an IPX5 rated enclosure. It is connected to power using PoE. It is 65mm wide, 50mm thick and 135mm tall. Without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing video. If this video gets 10 likes, I will do a setup video and product showcase. And for more tech videos, please consider subscribing. It would mean the world. On this channel, I will be reviewing tech, unboxing tech, and making tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. Until next time, live a good life.